Meet the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, a car so rare and so extravagant, it's not just a vehicle, but a symbol of ultimate luxury and exclusivity. Imagine pulling up to the ocean's edge in a car that turns more heads than any super yacht or mansion ever could. This isn't just any car, it's the most expensive new car ever made, a masterpiece that redefines what it means to own an automobile. The rumored price tag? A staggering $28 million. That's not a typo, 28 million. Enough to make even billionaires pause. For that kind of money, you could fill your garage with 70 Rolls-Royce Phantoms, each one a legend in its own right. Or, if you prefer, you could simply buy your own private Caribbean island, complete with white sand beaches and crystal clear waters. But the Boat Tail isn't just a car, it's a statement of unimaginable wealth, a rolling testament to the heights of human craftsmanship and ambition. When you buy a Boat Tail, you're not just purchasing transportation, you're commissioning a rolling work of art, meticulously tailored to reflect the unique personality and desires of its owner. The Boat Tail exists in a realm far beyond typical cars. It's more like a private skyscraper on wheels, or a priceless painting that just happens to move. Buyers of the Boat Tail aren't choosing between this and a Bugatti or a Ferrari. They're deciding between this and a super yacht, or perhaps a penthouse in Monaco. The price ensures the ultimate exclusivity. Only 3 Boat Tails exist in the entire world. Unless you're in the rarefied circle of owners, you'll likely never see another in your lifetime. This is a car reserved for the 1% of the 1%, the ultra-elite who want something no one else can have. The Boat Tail redefines luxury, pushing the boundaries of craftsmanship and personalization to levels never before seen in the automotive world. Here, it's not about horsepower or top speed. It's about creating awe, about the experience, the story, and the artistry behind every detail. The result? A magnificent, slightly insane, and utterly beautiful machine that blurs the line between car and legend. Today, let's dive deep and explore the Boat Tail's most outrageous quirks and features, the details that make it truly one of a kind, and why it stands as the ultimate expression of automotive luxury. Why build a car that costs as much as a small town's annual budget? What could possibly justify a price tag that soars to $28 million, a sum that could buy dozens of other luxury vehicles, or even a private jet? The answer isn't simple, and it goes far beyond the usual ideas of speed, power, or even status. It's not about speed. A Bugatti Chiron would leave it behind in a race without breaking a sweat. If you want raw performance, there are plenty of supercars that deliver more horsepower and faster lap times for a fraction of the price. The Boat Tail is about experience, not performance. It's about the feeling you get as you glide along a sun-drenched coastline, the world outside fading away, cocooned in a rolling work of art. It's about the journey, not the destination. Rolls-Royce's most valued clients wanted something beyond what money could usually buy, a legacy, an heirloom. For these individuals, luxury isn't just about owning something expensive, it's about creating something truly personal, a statement that will last for generations. This is the ultimate expression of bespoke coach building, reviving a tradition where every detail is co-created with the owner. The process is intimate and collaborative, with designers and artisans working hand in hand with clients to bring their vision to life. The clients chose everything, from the paint's crystal flakes, each one carefully selected to shimmer in the sunlight just so, to the wood on the rear deck, sourced from rare trees and finished by hand to create a unique pattern that will never be replicated. The focus is on emotional connection, a sanctuary, not just a car. Every moment inside the Boat Tail is designed to evoke a sense of calm, comfort, and exclusivity, making it a retreat from the outside world. Every element is engineered to soothe and delight, from the whisper-quiet cabin to the finest materials. The leather is hand-stitched, the metal is polished to a mirror finish, and even the smallest details are obsessively perfected. The Boat Tail exists because, for a select few, price is irrelevant. Uniqueness and craftsmanship matter most. For these clients, the true value lies in exclusivity and the knowledge that no one else in the world will ever own the same car. It's a rejection of mass-produced luxury, a bold statement that true luxury is rare and obsessively detailed. Every stitch, every surface, every component is a testament to human artistry and dedication. Rolls-Royce built this to prove they're still the kings of automotive opulence. The Boat Tail is a symbol, a rolling showcase of what's possible when imagination and craftsmanship are given free rein. It's a halo car for the entire concept of luxury, a beacon that inspires the rest of the industry to dream bigger, to push boundaries, and to redefine what's possible. The Boat Tail is luxury, redefined. It's not just a car, it's a masterpiece, a celebration of individuality, and a reminder that sometimes the most extraordinary things exist simply because someone dared to imagine them. The name Boat Tail harks back to the glamorous 1920s and 30s, when cars with yacht-like tapered rears symbolized ultimate luxury. Rolls-Royce connects this new creation to that legendary era, evoking the spirit of classic J-class yachts. The rear deck is crafted from Kaleidolegno wood veneer, with stainless steel pinstripes just like a speedboat. The nautical theme continues throughout, blue exterior, matching leather, and a dashboard clock made from mother of pearl. Every detail reinforces maritime elegance, making the car feel like a curated experience. Translating this yachting inspiration into a car took years of engineering, especially for the spectacular butterfly opening rear deck. The Boat Tail is a superyacht for the road, luxury, artistry, and escape. You don't buy a boat tail, you commission it, embarking on a 4-year journey with Rolls-Royce's coach build division. Each car is hand-built by master artisans, with every detail shaped by the client's vision. The process starts with a blank sheet and personal stories, inspiring unique features, like a custom pen or a champagne cooler set to the perfect temperature. The aluminum body is shaped by hand, with seamless panels and paintwork that takes countless hours. Clients visit the factory throughout, making adjustments and connecting with the craftspeople. By delivery, the car is a personal artifact, not just a possession. This is what you pay for, the object and the unforgettable creative journey. The Boat Tail is a testament to collaboration and obsessive detail. It's the ultimate bespoke experience. Now, let's turn our attention to what is arguably the Boat Tail's most jaw-dropping and conversation-starting feature, the legendary hosting suite. With just a press of a button, the Boat Tail's wooden rear deck elegantly splits and opens outward like a pair of butterfly wings, unveiling a scene that feels straight out of a luxury dream, a meticulously crafted picnic setup, ready for any occasion. This isn't just a trunk or a storage space, it's a curated outdoor experience, designed to transform any location into a 5-star venue. On one side, you'll find custom crystal plates, gleaming silverware, and crystal glasses, all perfectly organized and ready for an impromptu feast. On the other, a double refrigerator stands ready, keeping your finest champagne perfectly chilled, ensuring every toast is as refreshing as it is memorable. Rising gracefully from the center is a telescoping parasol, providing elegant shade and shelter so you can enjoy your gathering in comfort, no matter the weather. Swiveling cocktail tables and minimalist stools unfold seamlessly, creating a sophisticated lounge area that's as comfortable as it is stylish. It's essentially a high-end patio set, ingeniously hidden within your car, always ready to impress at a moment's notice. The hosting suite is pure theater, unapologetically extravagant, delightfully unnecessary, and absolutely brilliant in its execution. It's not about practicality, it's about creating unforgettable moments, turning any stop into a celebration, and making memories that last a lifetime. The engineering behind these perfectly synchronized mechanisms is nothing short of mind-boggling, a testament to Rolls-Royce's relentless pursuit of perfection and innovation. This is the ultimate party trick, a show-stopping centerpiece, and a perfect symbol of the Boat Tail's philosophy, where luxury is about surprise, delight, and pure joy. Here, luxury means delighting in the extraordinary, embracing the unexpected, and experiencing true automotive magic that captivates everyone who witnesses it. The Boat Tail blends traditional craftsmanship with hidden, advanced technology. Rolls-Royce believes tech should serve, not intrude. The dashboard features a removable Beauvais tourbillon watch, wearable or displayed as the car's clock. The infotainment screen hides behind wood veneer, preserving the classic look. The car's aluminum space frame was re-engineered for the Boat Tail, with over 1,800 bespoke parts. Even the wiring harness is unique, stretching nearly 9 miles. Climate control is silent and intuitive, using elegant metal plungers. Every interaction is designed to be physical and satisfying. Technology here is invisible, working quietly to create a perfect bubble of tranquility. What powers this $28 million masterpiece? A 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12, the same engine as the Phantom and Ghost. It's not about raw numbers, but effortless torque and supreme refinement. At idle, it's nearly silent. Power is always on tap, delivered with grace. The focus is on waftability. Smooth, serene momentum, like a yacht gliding through water. The ride is pure comfort, imperceptible shifts, light steering, and air suspension that reads the road ahead. The result? Rolls-Royce's famous magic carpet ride. The Boat Tail isn't about thrills, it's about lowering your heart rate. The V12 is the perfect silent servant for this rolling sanctuary. Its power, delivered with dignity. Owning a Boat Tail means joining the world's most exclusive club. Only 3 exist. You can't buy one, you must be invited. The owners are hand-picked, longtime Rolls-Royce patrons with a passion for design and the means to fund it. This level of exclusivity is almost unheard of, rarer than walking on the moon. Each Boat Tail is unique, with its own color scheme and bespoke details. The cars are more than vehicles, they're historical artifacts, destined to become family heirlooms. Their value is incalculable. They're not likely to be sold. The Boat Tail is about legacy, not status. It's a modern Fabergé egg, an object of cultural significance. For the owners, it's about creating a dynasty. This is luxury at its most rarefied. The Boat Tail is a symbol of ultimate exclusivity. Where do you go after the Boat Tail? It feels like the final word in luxury, but it's just the beginning. The coach build department has proven there's a market for one-of-a-kind creations. Other ultra-luxury brands may follow, but the Boat Tail sets the new gold standard. The conversation has shifted from performance to artistry and personal expression. Rolls-Royce is already working on new secret projects, each more ambitious and personal. The Boat Tail expands our idea of what a car can be. In a world of mass production, it's a reminder of true, uncompromising craftsmanship. The question now: what astonishing creation will come next?